Okay, it's recording.
Okay.
And you're going to run as soon as you can. You're not near the fuse. I don't think that thing's going to work. It has to be like in the... You don't want to stick it up the fireworks butt. Then it's going to go off right at your head. The coal part is away. The coal part is at the very, very end. Right there. There. It's almost... Go, go, go! Go! We're not doing that again, okay?
No, we're not. Oh, that's for that.
Yeah, you almost...
We're not going to buy those again.
You almost put that up your nose.
Yeah, that's not fun.
No, I don't. That's why I didn't want you to get bottle rockets.
Erase that file.
Yeah. No, I'm going to show it all. Saturn missiles. Guaranteed fun. Guaranteed fun for the whole family. No, I don't mind doing this. I just... Okay. That's that.
Come on, noise.
Okay. Alrighty, firecrackers.
Start early.
Okay, we're still recording. You're going to do the crackers down at the bottom of the driveway, right?
Of course.
Okay. Oh, I have a lighter here. It's at the other end.
Yeah.
Huh? Well, don't put them on the ground. There's a lot of dead leaves.
And I still got all 10 fingers. Or 9. No. Holding the lighter.
Yeah, but there's a firecracker sticking out of your head. Alrighty. Now, this is always a crowd pleaser, but you want to do the right side up.
Oh.
I would hate to set this thing off upside down.
Upside down.
Yeah, okay.
Which one is that?
The 96.
Oh, those are fun.
Okay.
These are fun.
This you just light one fuse.
Wow. You got a spectacular ending.
Not bad for $2.30.
No.
Now we've got one more.
This is a new one. We haven't tried this one before.
We didn't bring it.
Oh, put on pause.
It doesn't work that way.
Oh, well then.
Wait here. I'll get it. Hold the punk though. I don't want fire in the house.
Fire in the house.
Yeah, burning down the house is a great song when you're not a homeowner. Hello, Henry.
Burning down the house.
Let's not and say we did. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Ah, this punk is better than fighting with a lighter.
Yeah.